Think travel is just about tickets and sightseeing? Some countries have bizarre entry rules you've never heard of. Welcome to Learning Center with AAK, where borders come with surprises and smarts every 60 seconds. North Korea bans tourists from wearing jeans or brand logos. Western style? Not allowed. In Saudi Arabia, no pork, no alcohol, and definitely no Harry Potter. Magic-themed items are banned. Singapore banned chewing gum for years. It's legal now, but only with a doctor's note. In the USA, Kinder Surprise eggs are illegal, not for the chocolate, but because of the toy inside. Safety first. And in Iran, Barbie's dolls with Western looks are banned for being immodest. Like, share, and follow Learning Center with AAK, where the world's weirdest rules become your smartest facts.